I wake up at 7 a.m. I woke up at 7 a.m. I will wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m. They go to bed at 11 p.m. They went to bed at 11 p.m. They will go to bed at 11 p.m. We rest after lunch. We rested after lunch. We will rest after lunch. We do laundry on Sundays. We did laundry on Sundays. We will do laundry on Sundays. I set an alarm for 5 a.m. I set an alarm for 5 a.m. I will set an alarm for 5 a.m. I make a to-do list. I made a to-do list. I will make a to-do list. They fixed the car. They fixed the car. They will fix the car. He teaches English. He taught English. He will teach English. They travel to Paris. They traveled to Paris. They will travel to Paris. I take the bus to office. I took the bus to office. I will take the bus to office. I forget his name. I forgot his name. I will forget his name. She answers the phone. She answered the phone. She will answer the phone. I light a candle. I lit a candle. I will light a candle. I solve puzzles in my free time. I solved puzzles yesterday. I will solve puzzles tomorrow. They learn new skills. They learned new skills. They will learn new skills. I volunteer at the shelter. I volunteered at the shelter. I will volunteer at the shelter. She combs her hair. She combed her hair. She will comb her hair. We watch TV. We watched TV. We will watch TV. She buys vegetables. She bought vegetables. She will buy vegetables. I attend online classes. I attended online classes. I will attend online classes. We sleep at 10 p.m. We slept at 10 p.m. We will sleep at 10 p.m. She locks the door. She locked the door. She will lock the door. I charge my phone. I charged my phone. I will charge my phone. I turn off the lights. I turned off the lights. I will turn off the lights. She picks up the mail. She picked up the mail. She will pick up the mail. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I will read the newspaper. She wears her shoes. She wore her shoes. She will wear her shoes. They visit the library. They visited the library. They will visit the library. I get dressed. I got dressed. I will get dressed. We walk to the store. We walk to the store. We will walk to the store. He checks the weather forecast. He checked the weather forecast. He will check the weather forecast. I send a message. I sent a message. I will send a message. I listen to podcast. I listened to podcast. I will listen to podcast. We write notes. We wrote notes. We will write notes. He organizes events. He organized events. He will organize events. I study languages. I studied languages. I will study languages. I collect stamps. I collected stamps. I will collect stamps. I shop for clothes. I shopped for clothes. I will shop for clothes. I call my friend. I called my friend. I will call my friend. He catches the ball. He caught the ball. He will catch the ball. I tidy up my room every day. I tidied up my room every day. I will tidy up my room every day. We leave the house at 9 a.m. We left the house at 9 a.m. We will leave the house at 9 a.m. I send emails in the morning. I sent emails in the morning. I will send emails in the morning. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I will sweep the floor.